Market Monday. Market Monday. Y'all caught me in my bag, you know, laundry day vibes, you hear me? Laundry day vibes. Don't mind the road, don't mind the road. Got Bloomberg on. This day is the beginning of week 68. This day. Is it day 15? It's day 15, y'all. Give it up for yourself. You made it to day 15. And I also learned that if I do stuff off my iPad, it'll look better. Y'all can see you can see what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Market Monday vibes. I'm going ahead and screen core right now. All right. So as you can see, we currently got 296 invested. We down 12% today. Project 555 is about 5% a day. I understand that, but the market, it just don't allow that sometimes. Sometimes you think you're making a good move, but you be in it for too long. But at the same time, I'm not mad about the move I made because, like I said, I got my first 5% day 12 Friday because of this move. So we gonna rock out with it. I like how it look, and that move is called XLO. XLO Therapeutics down 34% today. Up 3%, up 4% after hours, down 37 cents. So you can see how much I lost, $44.44, 45 cents for today's return. In my total return, I'm down $35 for real. So about quarter loss today, y'all. It just started. Look at this move. So we had it at 4 o'clock, May 30th at 1:08. That's how I ended. Boy, these people woke up and chose violence. They wake up and chose violence. That's a whole 20. That's a whole 15. That's a whole 108 minus 8, bro. That's almost 30 cents. That's almost 30 cents, bro. Talking about almost. That junk is 37 cents. It tells us. So, with that being said, man, it's at 73 cents. That's how we looking. I had bought some more at 70 cents. Just a little $10, put it back into it. But we're going to ride the wave with this jump because, as you can see, 1 year, it just do these jumps, you know what I'm saying? So we got in on this area right here, and it's doing this right now. So we got in right here, and it's doing this. So you see how often it goes up? We're going to get our money back, man. And it might go higher than we thought. But my, sorry, I can know my target exit is like $1.15. $1.15, $1.20, whenever that hits. But you know, this got the possibility to really run. Like at one point it was 148. They said that dilution, it was 50%. They doing 50 million in dilution. So that means that instead of it being like 1/10, it'll be like 1/20th per share. So that kind of affected what happened. Y'all could look it up what dilution is, because I'm not expert. I just seen the news on it and the reasons why. But it did have good data this weekend, like I was speaking about. But regardless, it's still underperforming. So no here nor there. It made us some good money that day. We still gonna rock out with it. I'm thinking now though, since we're on the back end of the drop, that it'll probably, you know, swing it for like to the end of this week. I'm pretty sure by the end of this week something to pop, because that was a massive drop today, y'all. Like it was nasty. That was a nasty drop. It's a nasty drop, like drop zone vibes. So, and it's doing 4% in the after hours. We'll see how it starts tomorrow. Shout out Alpha Trader for that one. Then also, let me show you. I had a McCormick call earlier. And it did good today. It was at 73.4, but I'm gonna show you what we did. Shout out Aristotle for this call. I bought it at 175 and I sold it at 180, so I made $5 off that. You know, I swung that from May 29th to June 2nd. So that, you know, I sat on that, made $5, but I could have lost a whole bunch, you know. So I'm starting to learn that $5 a day is much better than losing $85. So when you see that profit, take the profit. When you see the profit, take the profit. That's something that I'm drilling in my head right now. See the profit, take the profit. Live to fight another day. So, but yeah, y'all can see, like, I'm trying to be cautious because I'm playing with a margin account, so I only had 3 day trades, right? And I decked it last week. Y'all seen how I decked it with the AI and 2 Google calls. So those day trades got used up getting decked, and I wasn't being smart. But now this week I'm way more calm, way more understanding what's going on. So when I get my day trades back, I'm smacking them jumps. I'm going to smack them out the water, y'all. So you feeling XLO? We got 146 shares of that. Average cost 96 cents. So they caught us. I caught it at the high. I could have waited till today, but it's always coulda, shoulda, woulda instead of what happened. So we'll deal with what it is. We'll enjoy our day. Let's see what everything is looking like. See what that Ferrari engine looking like. QQQ looking good today. Almost up 1%. The SPY up, who's almost 60%. Yeah, 60%. You know what I'm saying? Ended at 590. What did it end at? What did the SPY end at?
As they celebrate all the great moments ahead. Start your registry now on Amazon.
Ended at 592, so that's doing good. A lot of the Ferrari engine is doing good. Tesla had a negative 1% day. Google didn't have a solid day either. Let's see what we got. Let's see the ticket watch list. We got some different stuff in here. You know, we see all the reds though. All the reds is the stuff we're looking into. This one is a new one. Also, Aristotle was saying check into. He was saying something about a certain pattern. I'm not familiar with the terminology, but it's a pattern forming that usually shows bullish. So you're just gonna watch that, John. What else isn't doing that good today? First Solar down 150. Down 5% this past week, but they've been doing solid, man. I like First Solar. First Solar got the potential to get the 190. It's at 150 right now, and it ran high. It ran high and it's going to sell off. We might gotta look into First Solar again. See what else didn't perform today. Lidos. I know what Lidos is. Defense down 5% today. Down 11% this week. I like looking at that. I think that might be the move, y'all. Lidos is like it's a good company to buy. At one point it could be, you know what I'm saying, $200 company. Right now it's 141. It's dropped. I think that's something else that we could look at though, y'all. We'll rock over Lidos in a little bit, because look at Northrop Grumman and General Dynamics. They kind of all on the similar wave. Yeah, I would look into Lidos. That's a good one. Hood Market doing good today. Uber was alright. Gold did fabulous today, y'all. Like ridiculous. Up 3% today. Watch that gold, man. I'm telling y'all, we be speaking about gold on this channel. We love gold. We want gold bars, gold trust, gold stock, Bitcoin gold. We want all that type of gold on this, because it hold weight. Asset, big asset, man. So it's doing good today. We'll probably wait till it drop to try and get in again, you know, but you put your money in gold, it's gonna grow. as you can see. Yeah, even the mining companies did good. New Gold back at 462. Y'all, when I bought New Gold, let's see. Let me show y'all when I bought New Gold for the first time. Just playing around, didn't even know no better. I bought New Gold in March for 365. I got some for 312, 317. You know what I'm saying? I was looking at it when it was trying to get to 3.5. So I've been watching New Gold for a minute, man. New Gold, it's a nice little short change stock, but it always be growing. It's new Gold, man. Check them out. See what the lows did today. The lows did terrible, man. Orange Cloud, Oscar been failing us, y'all. Waiting for Oscar to shake back. It didn't shake back. The lows underperforming right now. VSTM. Y'all, VSTM. Y'all remember I was just saying VSTM was at 88, 887. VSTM didn't drop it like it's hot. VSTM dropped it like it was hot. It dropped it like it was hot, y'all. VSTM on the drop off. We got looking at that. Hold up, let me see if we can do something with that. You got options for VSTM?
But at the same time, he's not an idiot.
Goodness gracious, man. Let's see what's open.
And he is, and we need to remember this, that both sides are trying to still actively appease Trump. That's why they're even involved in peace talks.
Nobody is really buying the options for it, but I like that. Ooh, okay. Alright, June 20th in the call. Yo, VSTM. We looking at this tomorrow, y'all. We looking at this tomorrow. Cause VSTM is on the bottom. I think we found one. So we'll take note of that. We might hop in that car tomorrow. VSTM dropping like that was good news, y'all. Very good news. But yeah, so see what Dash Transportation got. EVGO down, Rivian down, Lead, BYDY up. Kind of chill, but overall down. That's good too, though. Good to watch for. Yeah, man. So, all right, trading day. XLO did us dirty, man. But you know, it's just one day. Can always recover. So. It's over.